Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the most uproariously entertaining veggie adventure you'll ever witness. Today, we're diving deep into the world of leeks, those hilariously healthy vegetable powerhouses that will leave you in awe and stitches. Leeks assemble. Get ready for an unforgettable journey filled with laughter, nutrition, and the incredible health benefits of these mighty vegetables. But first, let's unmask the secret identity of leeks. As part of the allium family, just like their famous siblings, onion and garlic, leeks have a mild taste that will make your taste buds dance with joy. The health benefits of leeks. These leafy superheroes are loaded with vitamins A, K, and C, along with folate and fiber. Can you believe it? 100 grams of leeks contain an explosion of superhero-like nutrients. In addition to their nutritional benefits, leeks also have incredible cancer-fighting properties, thanks to compounds like inulin, allicin, and camphorol. They promote heart health, support a healthy pregnancy, and regulate cholesterol. It's like having a personal nutritionist in your kitchen. The hilarious adventure of cooking with leeks. Flavorful fusion stir-fry. Prepare to embark on a flavor-filled adventure with this tantalizing stir-fry that combines the dynamic trio of tomatoes, peppers, and leeks infused with an array of assorted spices. As the ingredients dance together in the sizzling pan, a symphony of tastes and aromas unfolds. Sautéed leeks form a savory foundation, while the juicy tomatoes and vibrant peppers add a burst of freshness. To elevate the dish, we'll sprinkle in a harmonious blend of assorted spices, such as aromatic cumin, zesty paprika, and a touch of fiery chili powder. These spices will awaken your senses and infuse the stir-fry with a delightful depth of flavor. Watch as the colors meld and the fragrance fills the air, signaling that this mouth-watering creation is almost ready to be devoured. Each forkful will transport you to a culinary paradise where every bite is a celebration of taste and texture. With just a few simple steps, you can prepare this extraordinary stir-fry that combines the goodness of vegetables with the allure of assorted spices. Get ready to savor a symphony of flavors that will leave you craving more. Let the fusion of tomatoes, peppers, leeks, and assorted spices take your taste buds on a thrilling journey you won't soon forget. The leeks save the day. And there you have it, folks. Leeks, the unsung heroes of the veggie world, are here to save the day with their hilarious antics and incredible health benefits. Grab your capes and join the leek revolution. So what are you waiting for? Go out and get some leeks today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. Together, we'll spread the laughter and the leek love. Stay leeky, my friends.